Hey guys, welcome to another property tour. My name is Ahmad Romero, listing specialist with eXp Realty from Team Absolute Top Dollar. Today's property is located at 9208 Southwest 227th Lane in the beautiful city of Cutler Bay. This property features 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, a beautiful covered patio, a laundry room, and a 2-car garage. Let's go take a look inside. Waiting till you see what the inside of this house looks like. Upon entry of the home, you have this little archway right here, okay? Gives it such a nice little touch to the home. We have here the little family room area, okay? All 5 of the bedrooms are upstairs, even the laundry room, so you don't have to worry about coming up and down the stairs when you have to wash clothes. A well-kept 2-car garage. Okay, you have the nice flooring. You can park both cars. All 5 bedrooms are upstairs. You have the really nice wood laminate flooring, and you have the tile flooring on the first floor. You have the first bedroom. All the walls in the house are textured. Not even the walls, but also the ceilings. You have the high ceilings. You have this big spacious room. You have a great window right there so you can see outside. And this is the laundry room, guys. This is the second bedroom. Look how spacious this room is. You have a nice window right here. You have the nice updated ceiling fans. So here in the third bedroom, once again, the walls have been freshly painted throughout the entire home. You have the beautiful wood laminate flooring. You have the window right there to let in all that light. And then you have here the restroom. You have the his and hers sink. So both kids or both parents could be brushing their teeth if they like. You have the tub and the toilet right there in the other room, separate from the sink. So someone could be showering while people are there brushing their teeth. This is another room, which this room they actually converted into a home office. Great idea, right? Especially nowadays, a lot of people are working from home. Now we're walking into the master suite. Guys, look how spacious this master suite is. Now check out the master bathroom. The sink, you have the Roman tub, and you have the walk-in shower, which is very spacious. This bathroom alone is amazing, guys. You guys are gonna see exactly what I'm talking about when I talk about the covered patio. I mean, that's what sold me on this house. We're here on the first floor. You have a half a bathroom right here downstairs. Everybody and all the entertainment could happen right here. The walls look amazing, fresh paint, and you got tile all throughout the first floor. Right here, a formal little dining area. You know, they use this here as a, breakfast area for the kids and the family. Guys, check this out. So much space, not little, big living room, okay? This is where everybody gets together and has fun. You have the breakfast counter up here, so if you want to put some stools right there, you definitely can. This kitchen is a very spacious kitchen. You have the beautiful appliances, the wood cabinets, and you also have a really big walk-in pantry, all right? With a lot of great snacks. And you also have the really nice backsplash right here, guys. Really nice touch that the homeowners did to this house. You don't even have to do anything to this house because it's ready to go, turnkey. Let's go. Look how spacious this covered patio is. Guys, this right here at night, I mean, it is beautiful. They replaced all the wood trestles on top. This is screened in, so no mosquitoes, nothing's gonna bother you. You also have a little putting green. So if you're into golf or miniature golf and you wanna practice your golf game, well, you have it right here. You also have a jacuzzi, all right? So you're into getting jacuzzi, work out, jump in there, And the best part about this is that there's no neighbors back there. So you don't have to worry about any neighbors complaining ever. And the HOA is less than $50 per month. And the HOA covers the common grounds. They also covers the recreational clubhouse. It's a massive size pool, and they have a weight room. I mean, everything a clubhouse has to have, they have. This house right here is not gonna last on the market. So all I'm asking you guys is to give us a call right away. We're standing by. So again, this house is located at 9208 Southwest 227th Lane, 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, 2,500 square feet, 2-car garage, laundry room. Give me a call, we're ready. My name is Ahmad Romero, listing specialist with eXp Realty from Team Absolute Top Dollar. Thank you again for joining me on this tour. Have a great day.